All right, good morning everybody. Welcome to our centering again. Our topic for the day, 10 basic steps to start your JC business. Okay? Ngayon guys, itong pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na to, napaka-exciting because itong 10 basic steps na to, ito po yung ginagawa ko since I started in this network marketing career. To give you a little background, ako po ay nag-networking na po for the last 15 years. And my first 2 years, humbly saying, share ko lang po sa mga kaibigan natin ngayong gabi na to. Hindi ko po to pagyayabang. Kumbaga, magamit natin to para ma-motivate ang bawat isa, para ma-inspire, para matuwa, at para makita yung bigger picture ng ating business. Kumita po tayo dito ng 300 million plus sa loob ng 2 taon. So in English, in this business for the last 15 years, we earned 300 million pesos for first 2 years. Yay! Okay. So, meron tayong 10 basic step na kailangan gawin para maging successful. Okay? Number 1, sa lahat ng mga nagsisimula, kailangan maintindihan mo. You have to know the business. Di ba? Kung magdo-doktor ka, kailangan maintindihan mo yung about human anatomy. Kung magko-construction ka, kailangan maintindihan mo yung, hindi ko alam yung mga about basic foundation. Now, in our business, you have to know what is network marketing or also known what is multi-level marketing. To give you a simple, for the simplest way, ano ba ang pinaka-simpleng paraan para ma-explain ang network marketing? Very simple. Network marketing is a system that is used to promote a product and divide the income among distributor. Tagalog. Ang network marketing po ay isang sistema na ginagawa o ginagamit ng mga negosyante para magbenta ng produkto at hinahati ang income sa bawat distributor niya. Yun po ang network marketing. So bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 trading channel. Yung nangyayari po ngayon sa panahon natin ngayon. Number 1, ang isang manufacturer may 3 paraan para madala ang kanyang produkto sa mga customer. Yung unang channel sa pinakakaliwa, on the left side, manufacturer going to the wholesaler, going to the dealer, going to the customer. Yan po yung parang Coca-Cola. Ginagawa ng Coca-Cola ang Coke sa Laguna, dadalhin sa mga malalaking grocery, dadalhin sa sari-sari store, tsaka mo bibilin. Yan yung traditional distribution channel. Okay, that's channel 1. Channel 2, nakakita ng bagong opportunity, nakakita ng bagong way para maibenta yung produkto sa mga tao. Ang tawag dito, getting your sales representative. Ito yung mga real estate, condominium, 'di ba pag bumibili tayo ng mga property ngayon, lumalapit tayo sa mga real estate, yun yung mga nagbibigay ng flyer. Ang unang napunta sa ganyang trading option or distribution option, yung mga insurance at real estate. May produkto sila, bahay, condominium, kumukuha sila ng ahente para ibenta sa mga tao. Ang tawag dyan, channel 2. Manufacturer going to the representative, going to the customer. Now, 2000 plus, 20th century, lumabas ngayon ang network marketing. Ito yung channel 3. May manufacturer ng gamot, for example, Herbalife, for example lang Herbalife, JC. JC na lang gamitin natin. Manufacturer si JC ng produkto, kumuha siya ng mga distributor, tayo yon, papunta
Akala
sa
ko building queue na to.
Tapos, kumuha siya ng mga distributor, yun ang kanyang sinishare sa mga members niya. So, yan po yung mga sample channels. Alright? So, network marketing is a legal business. All over the world po, marami na rin po multi-billionaire, multi-millionaire who are into network marketing. Like I showed you the other day, there is someone earning 50 million pesos or $1 million per month sa network marketing. Mag-asawa po sila. Sila po ay nag-e-enjoy ng buhay nila. 50 million kada buwan ang kinikita nila. Ganyan po ang kitaan sa network marketing. Okay? Now, number two, dahil alam mo na ang network marketing, hindi ka na magpapadaloy-daloy sa mga kaibigan na nakakausap mo na sinasabi, ay, baka naman scam yan, baka naman, hindi. Pwede mo nang sabihin sa kanila, hindi scam ang network marketing. Kami ay third way channel of distribution na legal. Right? So, kaya natin ito pinag-uusapan para marunong ka ng tumulong sa mga tao na hindi naiintindihan. Usually, ang reaction nila, networking, pyramiding, scam, hindi po. Pwede mong sabihin itong natutunan mo ngayong gabi. It's a system that is used to promote a product and divide the income among distributors. Number two, build your network. For you to be successful in this business, you have to build your network. Ibig sabihin, you are the boss. You are the leader. You are the upline. Meaning to say, you are the person who will invite your members under your team. Ikaw. At the moment, sa buong pamilya mo, ikaw pa lang ang nakakaalam ng business na to. It is your obligation para i-share sa kanila. Okay? I-share mo lang. Hindi mo kailangan sila kumbinsihin. Pag sumali, okay. Pag ayaw, okay lang. No problem. Ang goal lang natin ngayon is for them to know what you are doing now. So don't pressure yourself. Kailangan ko ba pasalin daddy ko? Pasasalin ko mami ko, ate ko, kuya ko? No. All you have to do, tell your friends about your business, about your product, about your marketing plan. Sumali man sila o hindi, okay lang. Alright? So, number two step is you have to build your network. Now, the question is, how do you build your network? You build your network by inviting people. Okay? The more you invite, ulitin ko ha, the more you invite, the more money you earn. Okay? So again ha, I'll say it again in English. The more you invite people, the more you earn. So wag kang mahihiyang mag-invite. By the way, ginagawa naman natin yan taon-taon, di ba? Pag birthday natin, nag-invite tayo. Kapag may inuman, invite tayo. Pag may kainan, invite tayo. Pag may binyag, invite tayo. Ganun din sa negosyo natin. You have to be a professional inviter. Imagine mo lang everyday birthday mo. Di ba? Friend, kita tayo. Saan? Coffee tayo. May present ako sa'yo. All you have to do is invite. Every day, invite a person in your business. Every day. Okay? So the more you invite, the more you invite, the more money you earn. Okay? When you invite, there is an 80%, 20% rule. Sa 10 kausap mo, 2 lang ang makikinig, 1 lang ang sasali. Ulitin ko ha. When you talk to 10 people, there will be 2 person will come and there will only be 1 will join. Tagalog, mas madali. Sa 10 inimbitahan mo, 2 lang dadating, 1 lang sasali. We call it Pareto Law. Kaya kapatid, kapag ikaw ay nag-invite ng 3 at walang sumali, huwag kang magtataka kasi 3 lang in-invite mo. Di ba nung birthday natin, nung ating binyag ng anak natin, yung communion natin, di ba lahat ng kamag-anak natin ini-invite natin? Di ba hindi naman lahat nakakapunta, pero may nakakapunta, pero hindi naman sila kompleto. Hindi ka naman nagtatampo pag di sila dumating. Ganon din ang negosyo natin. Kapag hindi sila dumating, huwag ka magtatampo. Kapag di sila sumali, huwag ka magtatampo. Ang importante, damihan mo, kausap mo, dami ini-invite mo, damihan mo ang nilalatagan mo. Kasi the more you earn, the more you invite, the more you earn. Usually, 3 pa lang ini-invite mo, 2 pa lang ini-invite mo, hindi lang dumating, ayaw mo na. Usually, 2 pa lang kinakausap mo, 1 pa lang kinakausap mo, ayaw na, ayaw mo na. Pareto Law, go back to the law. The law is 80-20. Sa 10 kausap mo, 8 ang hindi pupunta, 2 ang pupunta. Sa 2 pupunta, 1 ang sasali. Ibig sabihin, dapat araw-araw may 10 kang kausap. Kaya kung babalikan mo yung training natin last time, every day, talk to 10 person a day. Kasi yung 10 person na yon can give you 1 pay-in per day. That's the science of that training. Kapag kumausap ka ng 10 tao, may 2 pupunta. Yung 2 pupunta, 1 ang sasali. Kung ang goal mo makapagpasali ng araw-araw ng 1, dapat 10 kinakausap mo. Kung sa isang linggo ang kausap mo 10, 1 lang na sumasali sa'yo kada linggo. Sigurado yun. Kapag sa isang linggo kausap mo 5, walang sasali sa'yo. Sigurado yun. Offline! Kinausap ko na nanay ko, tatay ko, kapitbahay ko. 4 na sila. Lahat sila ayaw nila. Ayaw ko na rin. Partner, kinausap ko na yung friends ko. 4 sila. Lahat sila ayaw. Ayaw ko na rin. 4 pa lang kinausap mo, ayaw mo na. Eh may Pareto law, di ba? Out of 10 person you talk to, there will be 2 who will who will go to your meeting. Out of 2 person who will go to your meeting, there will only be 1 will join you. So meaning to say, 10 invites a day will give you 1 pay-in per day. 5 invites per day will not give you any pay-in at all. Boba, are you there, Boba? Boba? Are you there? Boba is a basketball player. I heard he's a basketball player in what team are you playing, Boba? For what team are you playing, Boba? Wait, I think he's on mute. Boba, what team are you playing for? Anyway, sige ako na lang sasagot.
I'm playing for Olivares also.
For
I'm playing for Olivares College.
Olivares College. Okay, let's talk about basketball tonight. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mo is here. Let him introduce himself first.
Okay.
Okay.
Mo is there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Hello.
guys. Hi, Mo. Welcome to the team.
In English,
Oh,
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm very good, Mo. We are very happy that you're part of the team.
Yeah. I'm happy too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you. We are so glad and excited to be part of your journey to earn your millions in this business. But now we are talking about basketball.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Can I interview for you for a while about basketball?
Yeah, it's okay, yeah.
When you play basketball, what is your goal?
Yeah, to be a professional player, yeah, of course.
Or to shoot the ball. Every time you shoot the ball, you have points, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, 'di ba sa Tagalog, guys, kapag basketball player ka, ang goal mo ma-shoot mo yung bola sa ring. Okay, now, number 2.
Yeah.
Being a basketball player,
Yeah.
every time you take a shot, is it 100% inside the basket?
Yeah. Because you train it hard every day. So of course you have that mindset that if I shoot, this will go in. So
But
100%.
sometimes not. But
Yeah,
sometimes
sometimes
not.
yeah, sometimes not.
So what do you do if you don't put the ball in? What do? You try it again.
Yeah, you will try again. Never give up. Yeah.
Then you try again. Then you try again.
Yeah,
Diba?
again. Yeah,
Thank you
again and again.
Thank you very much, brother, for sharing that that insight. Okay, guys. Ginamit ko lang yung I used the sample of the 2 professional basketball players together in our team. Ang networking parang basketball. Sinabi na niya, 'di ba kanina, kung araw-araw mo ginagawa, gumagaling ka. Pag gumagaling ka, dahil araw-araw mo ginagawa because of hard work, because of you spend time doing the business, and then you become a better businessman the next day. Like in basketball, tomorrow you're a better player. But not every time you take a shot, you shoot the ball. Not all the time. There's no even Michael Jordan is not 100%. Sometimes even though he's a very good basketball player, sometimes he doesn't shoot the ball. But what does he do? He takes a shot again. Ganun din sa business natin. Always talk to the person. If the person doesn't join, take the shot again. Talk to another person. If he joins, good. Then you get 1 point. If he did not join, take another shot again. Talk to another person. Take another chance. Take another chance. And then someday, you will be surprised that you already have 3 million downlines under you because every day you're taking a chance in talking to, that happened to me. I have more than 3 million downlines under me. I have 300 million net in cash for the first 2 years. Why? Because I take the shot every day. You know why Michael Jordan is the greatest basketball player in the world? Why? Until today, not LeBron, still Michael Jordan. Why? Because he took more shots than LeBron. Sa Tagalog, mas marami siyang tira, hindi lahat ng tira niya pasok, pero siya may pinakamaraming tirang ginawa. Ganon din yung negosyo natin. Kung ikaw ay may pinakamaraming kinausap, ikaw ang pinakamaraming napasali. Ganun kasimple yun, guys. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi sumali kausap mo, take the shot. Take the shot again. Take the shot. Part lang siya ng success. Yung lahat ng shoot, lahat ng tira ni Michael Jordan that did not shoot the basket, inside the basket, that is just the part of Michael Jordan being the best player. It's like in this business. Yung mga taong hindi sumali sa'yo, all the people who did not believe you, who did not join you, who did not support you, who did not pay in, they are the people who is just forming your success. So it's okay even though they don't join. Take another meeting. Take another invite. Take another person to present. Every day, take the shot by presenting your business. What is stopping a person from taking a chance? Number one, you don't want to be rejected. Natatakot ka. You don't want the word no. People, they don't want to talk to another person because they are scared because that person might not like to join. Oh my God, I don't want to talk to my coach. He might not like to join my business. He might laugh at me. He tell me, why did you join that? Oh my God, Mo, why did you do that? Those are negative things inside our head that is stopping us to talk to another person. Every basketball player, every time you take a shot, all in your mind, I wanna shoot the ball. But if you did not shoot the ball, what will you do? Take another shot. This shot will shoot, I can shoot this ball. Ganun din sa negosyo. Bawat kausap, masushoot ko to. Pag hindi na-shoot, kakausap ulit, masushoot ko to. Pag hindi sumali pa, masushoot ko to. The greatest basketball player in this world always expect the best. Na shoot to, shoot. At if it did not take, pag hindi sumut, magta-try ulit. Magta-try ulit. Michael Jordan took the most shots and now he's the greatest player. For you to earn like 300 million in 2 years net, hindi mo to kayang kitain sa labas ng legal Pwede mo mang kitain ng 300 million sa labas pero kailanganin mo ng bilyon na puhunan. Dito ang puhunan natin laway lang. Yung laway pag ininom mo ng tubig babalik yan. Pero yung pera, pag tinaya mo sa iba, nagpatayo ka ng building, nagpatayo ka ng condo, nagpatayo ka ng factory, pag hindi mo nabawi yan, talo ka na. Dito, laway lang, medyo kapal lang na muka, pag nagpe-present ka, yung hindi ka nahihiya, ang kapalit 300 milyon. Damihan mong kausap mo, yun lang. Hindi sumali, take another shot. Nakipag-set ka ng meeting ngayon, 10 ka meeting mo, 10 inindian ka, hindi dumating, tomorrow magpa-set ka ulit. Siya may sabi, there are 9 people who wants to join your team and then the next day they tell you, oh, I changed my mind. The next day, take another chance. Talk to another person. Forget about yesterday. Just like any basketball player, you don't think about your last shot. You think about your shot now, your ball right now, your basket right now, not the basket yesterday when you missed that basket. Same with our business. Stop thinking about the people who did not join. They're just part of your success. Think about the people waiting for you, Mo. Think about the people waiting for you, Rai. Think about the people waiting for you, Ranzel. Lahat ng taong hindi nag-join sa'yo, parte lang yon ng journey mo. And may sikreto. We have to take away the fear. Fear of what? Rejection. All you have to do, convert it to faith. Faith factor. Fear factor, I will not take this shot. For sure, I will not shoot the ball. Oh my God, I will not shoot this ball if I take the shot. That's fear. Faith factor, when I throw this ball, I will shoot this ball for sure. When I talk to this person will join me. Did not join, take another chance. Oh, this person will join me, take another chance. If that. Faith factor. You have to talk to your mind because your mind is your greatest enemy. Your mind will tell you, do not. Your mind will tell you, be shy. Your mind will tell you, tama na, nakakahiya, mayaman na, huwag mo na kausapin. Your utak mo, sasabihin sa'yo, wag na yan, pagod ka na, matulog ka na. But faith will tell you, talk to that person. That person is your leader. Talk to that person will make you a millionaire. Talk to that person needs the business. So make that fear convert it to faith. How do you build your faith factor? What if I tell everybody now, lahat tayo may karapatang yumaman. Lahat. Mula kay Chambe, mula kay Daddy, mula kay Mami, mula kay Krisha, mula kay Ann Garcia, Ana Recio, Elgon Kurt, Hailey Guasque, Jackie Wong, Gemma Copan, Rai Zamora, Chris Cabel, Renzel, Ron Mariano, Ron and Jen, Boba. Every person in this planet has the right to become successful, has the right to become a multi-millionaire to billionaire. Every person, every. Lucio Tan, Gokong Wei, Bill Gates, Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan, every person is a superstar. Why? Ang buhay parang baraha. Sa baraha, ilan ang alas? 4. May alas na diamond, alas na hearts, spade, flowers. Pag binalasa mo ang baraha, parang buhay natin yan eh. Pwedeng si Mr. Ron Mariano, unang bukas ng baraha, alas kagad. Yung unang kinausap niya, alas kagad. Ang galing, leader kagad. Hataw kagad, bumili kagad, 31 accounts. Nagtayo kagad ng mga business center. Imagine mo, ganun kaswerte si partner Ron Mariano. Yung unang meeting niya, alas pala niya. Yung unang meeting pala niya, alas. Paano kunyari si Gemma Copan, Chris Cabel, o kaya si Jackie? Pangalawang baraha, hindi alas. Number 7, number queen, number 4, number 3, number 10. Hanggat gitna na, doon lumalabas yung alas. Ibig sabihin, doon sa pang 20 pa lang niyang kausap, yun yung alas niya. Or sometimes, kila Ron, kila Rai, kila Boba, kila Hailey, Harley, Ana Recio, Ann Garcia, hindi natin alam, yung alas nila doon sa pinakahuli. Tingnan mo itong barahan na to. Yung alas nasa huli. Yung king, dahil pagod ka na, lahat, sabi, pumunta ka na ng probinsya, kinausap mo na ng kamag-anak mo, pumunta ka na sa lahat ng mga ospital, kinausap mo na ng kapitbahay mo, walang sumali kahit isa. Tapos tumigil ka. Paano kung yung kausap mo bukas, yun yung alas mo? Yun yung magpapayaman sa'yo. What if, Boba, that person tomorrow you will talk to is your ace, meaning to say, that person will make you a millionaire when he joins your team. Because our goal is to look for that 4 power leaders. Ang basic kasi guys, kailangan may 4 kang leader. Yun yung kaya ko pinagagawa kila Ann, kila Kurt. Yung dapat may 4 kayong linya. 4 yung alas eh. Kailangan yung hanapin yung 4 na leader nyo na gagawin nating milyonaryo. Dahil pag naging milyonaryo, ang tawag sa'yo multi-millionaire. Ganun kasimple yun. Hahanapin natin yung 4 na taong payayamanin mo. There are 4 people in this world na makakasama mo sa negosyo natin. Sigurado yan. Walang mayaman sa mundong ito nag-iisa. Palaging meron niyang grupo. Gokong Wei, Lucio Tan, Ramon Ang, RCJ. Lahat siya may grupo. Basketball, how many players are there na basketball? 10, 12? Team yan eh. Di ba? May point guard, may center, mayroong forward, merong ano-ano. Ganon din sa team natin. Hahanapin mo yung mga leaders mo. Next. 3 ways to earn money today. You have to look for a job or look for a business. I have nothing against with job. I love people working kasi at least kumikita sila. But in job kasi, you work 8 to 5. You have money but you don't have time. Diba? You give your time for money. But in business, you give money and the business will give you money. Ang problema ko lang sa business ito. Mag-invest ka ng malaki, ang kita mo malaki. Mag-invest ka ng maliit, ang kita mo maliit din. Diba? Kunyari, nag-invest ka ng pang-sari-sari store. Ang kita mo, pang-sari-sari store. Hindi naman pwedeng investment mo, sari-sari store. Ang kita mo, mega mall. Malabo yun. Invest small, earn small. Invest big, earn big. Yan ang business. Diba? Ang problema, sa 10 business, siyam ang hindi tumutuloy. Yun ang realidad. Yan lang po ang parang para kumita ng pera, job and business. Ngayon po, 3 na. Noong unang panahon, sabi ng magulang natin, anak, magtrabaho ka, mag-aral ka, magtrabaho ka para gumanda buhay mo. Ang dami kong kamag-anak, tumanda na sa pagtatrabaho, hindi nakuha pangarap. And I have nothing against that. Ang sinasabi ko lang, may mga ibang option na pwede mong gawin para makuha mo yung pangarap mo. Pwede kang magnegosyo, pwede kang mag-multi-level marketing. Bakit? Ang kagandahan ng multi-level marketing, maliit ang puhunan. Imagine nyo guys ha, 17,000, may negosyo ka na. 5,000, may negosyo ka na. Maghahanap ka na lang ng customer mo. Million pa ang pwede mong kitain. Imagine niyo guys ha, magkano binili ni Ann Batcho na isang araw na sasakyan? 20 million pesos cash. Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Dayan Tan, kumita na naman ng 9 million in 1 month. 9 million pesos income in 1 month. Ang puhunan, 17,000 laway lang. Guys, multi-level marketing is a business, is a career. Let's all learn what is network marketing. Let us all see. Build life with MLM. I am one of the people on this planet na binago ang buhay. Guys, imagine dati I don't have, guys, no, Boba, people here listening with, before I don't have money when I started. I even borrowed money for me to join my first networking company. I even borrowed credit card of my friend so that I can buy laptop so I can present the business to my clients. Did you know, in just 24 months, when I did the business, I don't have money when I started. After 24 months, I have 300 million net value. Ganong kabilis. At hindi kayang kitain to sa kahit anong larangan ng negosyo na legal. Ito legal natin gagawin. Right? Network marketing, no employee, no inventory, wala kang utang, wala kang babayaran ng upa, wala kang babayaran ng mga empleyado. Gusto mong matulog buong araw, matulog ka. Gusto mong matulog ng Monday, gusto mong gumising ng Sunday, isang linggo kang tulog, okay lang. Wala kang boss, wala kang pinapasweldo, walang nag-uutos sa'yo, wala. Ikaw ang boss. That's why I said, ikaw ang boss dito. Ano ako? Ako yung guide mo lang. Ito yung mga tamang gawin. Pero at the end of the day, ikaw pa din ang gagawa. Remember, the richest people in this world, they don't look for job, they look for network. The richest person in the world look for and build networks like everyone is looking for work. In Tagalog, yung mga mayayaman nagbi-build ng network, nagne-networking. Yung mga mahihirap naghahanap ng trabaho. Kaya nga nagulat ako guys, nag-post ako ng isang araw, network marketing business. Walang sumasagot. Nung pinost ko, hiring people for 10,000, ang dami nag-inquire. Bakit? Naka-mindset ang tao, hahanap ako trabaho. Hindi ako hanap negosyo. Yun ang mindset ng tao eh. Kaya nga pansinin nyo, sa 10 kaibigan mo, isa lang ang mayaman, siya hindi. Because we are already programmed. For you to earn money, you have to work. Find a job. That's a program. But Chinese or rich people, you want money, you join network marketing, that's a business, and build that business. Yun ang sinabi ni Bill Gates. May pera ka, gusto mo kumita ng pera, pera mo maliit, gusto mo kumita ng malaki, mag-networking ka, i-build mo yung grupo mo. Ganon din naman ang gagawin mo pag nagtayo ka ng kumpanya, i-build mo yung grupo mo, kakausapin mo yung mga kliyente, i-meeting mo din sila, pakakainin mo din sila. Ganon din pag nagtayo ka ng negosyo. Nagtayo ka ng parlor, drugstore, hardware, everyday ka nandun, naglalabas ka pa ng pera, nanonood ka doon, 8 to 5, binabantayan mo, nakikisama ka sa kliyente, ganon din yung networking. Before we end, create a dream board. Guys, it is in the Bible. A man without vision, God doesn't want that. In Tagalog, ayaw ng Diyos ng wala kang pangarap. Hindi po masamang yumaman. Sa teleserye lang po natin yung ginawa yan. Na ang mayaman masama, masungit, mapagmata, masamang tao daw mayayaman. Yung mga mahihirap, yun yung mabubuti. Yung mga naghihirap, umiiyakin, nakakaawa ka, yun ang mabuting tao. Hindi. Isa pong malaking kalokohan po yun. Wrong programming. Because media is there to program us, our mind. Tingnan nyo guys real talk. Pag wala kang pera, pabigat ka, unang-una sa sarili mo. Bakit? Di mo mabili gusto mo, di mo makain gusto mo, di mo tulog sa mong tulugan. Mas masakit doon, pabigat ka sa mga kapwa mo. Bakit? Umuutang ka buwan-buwan utang ka na utang, di ba? Napipiko na sa'yo magulang mo, kaibigan mo. Kung gusto mo maging mabuting tao, dapat madami kang pera. Bakit? Pag madami kang pera, hindi ka pabigat sa sarili mo. Pangalawa, hindi ka pabigat sa pamilya mo. Pangatlo, ito pinakamalupit. Marami kang natutulungang tao pag kailangan nila ng pera. Di ba ngayon, pag may tumatawag siya, pahiram naman. Bo, pasensya na, konti yung pera ko ngayon eh. Nakatulong ka? Hindi, di ba? Baliktarin natin, sa akin lumapit yun. Pare, pahingin naman po, sige. O sino mabuti sa atin? Di ba mas mabuti ako? Kasi nakatulong ako eh. Yun yung gusto kong gawin mo. Kailangan may pera ka. Hindi para manapak ng ibang tao, kailangan maging masama kang tao, naging alcoholic ka, naging drug addict ka, naging babaero ka. Hindi. Paramihin mo ang pera mo para marami kang matulungan sa pamilya mo, sa kaibigan mo. Kung talagang marami na, di ibang tao na. Kasi bro, tandaan mo, kailangan natin ng pera. Money is an energy. So you have to love that energy. Wrong mindset. Wrong mindset if you hate money. No, you have to love money. Because money energy can hear that. Oh, I'm okay. No, I'm okay. Only 70,000 per month. No, don't say that. You say, I'm okay 1 million a month. Lower 1 million a month, I'm not okay. Oh, by the way, in our team, standard, all my direct referral and my direct referral should earn 1 million a month in the next 6 months. So you have 6 months here. Boba, Naomi, Priscabel, Renzel, Doc Mariano, Raisa,
Yes.
Kurt, Ron, Jen, Gemma Copan, Hailey, Ann Garcia, Anaresio. Meron tayong 6 na buwan. Maipatong ka sa 1,000,000 kada buwan. Sir Kiwi, totoo ba yun? Opo, hindi kita binabaliw. Lahat ng networking na sinalihan ko, 6 months, 1,000,000 kagad ako. Lahat. Tanungin mo pa silang lahat. Hindi, tanungin nyo lahat. Kilala nyo naman lahat ng may-ari ng mga sinalihan ko dati. Tanungin nyo lahat kung
Proven.
sila inawardan yung team leader nyo ng 1,000,000 ng 6 na buwan. Bakit? There are simple basic steps that we need to do. Ito yung pinagagawa ko sa inyo gabi-gabi. Araw-araw may kausap ka, linggo-linggo may isa ka, gabi-gabi mag-centering ka, kahit pagod ka, bumiyahe ka, hindi ka nakatulog, may sakit katawan mo, yung tuhod mo, naggasgas, kapitbahay mo, nag-birthday, nag-inuman. Pagdating ng alas 9, alas 10, mag-centering tayo. Di ba? Parang basic kasi yan guys eh. Di ba? Para mabuhay sa mundong ito, kailangan mo ng tubig, pagkain, hangin. Isa lang mawala, patay ka. Kotse mawala, okay lang eh. Bahay mawala, okay lang. So okay, asawa anak mawala, okay lang, buhay ka pa din. Mawala laptop mo, okay lang. Pero pag nawalan ka ng tubig, pagkain, hangin, patay ka. Kahit nga wala kang pera, buhay ka pa din. Tanda mo tubig, pagkain, hangin, matanggal ang isa, patay. Ganon din sa negosyo natin. Tanggalin mo yung 3 importante. 1, araw-araw may kausap. 2, linggo-linggo may na-encode. 3, gabi-gabi nagsisentering. Isa lang doon, tanggalin mo, patay ka. Ganon itrato yung sinasabing 3 basic. So never forget those 3. Kaya pansinin mo, ang tagal ng ibang yumaman sa negosyong ito because they are not doing the 1, 2, 3. Kaya ang daming taong namamatay kasi tubig lang, hindi sila meron lang sila tubig, walang pagkain, walang hangin, patay. Meron sila tubig lang, pagkain, walang hangin, patay. Meron naman hangin lang, pagkain, walang tubig, patay. Ganon din sa network. Isa lang ang tanggalin mo, patay. Ayoko ngayon, I'm tired. Galing ako sa mga meetings, I'm so stressed. Kapatid, 300,000,000 ang kapalit nito, ayaw mong bigyan ng panahon. Ang dami mo nga, nabigyan mo nga ng pagpanahon yung Netflix eh. Nabigyan mo ng pagkataon yung kaibigan mong iniyaya ka makipag-inuman. Kapatid, ito 30 minutes lang. Araw-araw hanggat maitapak kita sa 1,000,000. At malupit doon, ikaw mismo ang mag-e-enjoy ng pera mo, hindi ako. At guess what? Libre to Libre ko itong ginagawa sa team. Ang gusto ko lang, lahat tayo ipasok sa 1,000,000 per month for the next 6 months. At napakagandang example yung dream board. Gawa kayo ng dream board. Sakto, linggo bukas. I don't know kung Father's Day. Boba, create a dream board. You buy a board or any cartolina, kung anong kasya na budget, Manila paper, cut out anything. Okay? Do not think about the price. Don't say, I don't want to cut this card because this is expensive. No. Don't think about huwag niyong isipin kung mahal o mura. Isipin mo kung anong gusto mo. Gupitin mo. Cut out the house you like, cut out the car you like, cut out the family you like, cut out the check you like. Kuha ka ng check, sulat mo pangalan mo doon, Ann Garcia, 1,000,000 per month. Dikit mo, pagtawa ng kapitbahay mo, okay lang. Pinagtawanan ako 12 years ago. Lahat yan sa dream board, lahat yan naging totoo. Tagawan Lamborghini, bahay sa Alabang, 2 kondo sa BGC, kalahating milyon kada linggong cheque. Kasi nagsimula yan, dream board. Lahat yan hindi totoo nung ginawa ko. After 1.5 year ata, lahat nung nasa dream board, nagkatotoo. Remember, when I started, I don't have money to pay in myself. But with the board, that will help you so much to guide you every day. So promise me guys, from Naomi to Rai to Boba and the friend Ron, Jen, Ron, Mariano, Renzel, Priscabel, Naomi, Jackie, Aaron, Kurt, Ann Garcia, Anaresio, Hailey, Harley, Krisha, create a dream board. Kayo nakita niyo naman yung screen ko kanina, I have a dream board. my dream board today is this dream board that is done already. Kanina, when you saw my screen, that's my dream board. The one in my dream board is 1 million a day. Because we already did 500,000 per week already. It's already done. It's in the basket. It's real. Now we're doing 1 million a day. The target is 30 million a month. Because 1 million a day times 30 days, that's 30 million per month. Net tax. Yun ang goal. Pero wag mo munang i-goal yun. Step by step muna tayo. Doon muna tayo sa 1 million a month ka lang muna. Huwag ka muna pupunta sa 1 million a day. Kaya nga 'di ba, tinext ko sa inyo, 1 million a day for 6 months. After 6 months, 1 million per week. After 6 months, 1 million a day. Kala niyo nagloloko ko doon? Pakita ko sa iyo. Kung seseryosohin mo 'yon, kasama kita. Kung pagdududahan mo 'yon, papakita ko sa iyo. Love you. Number 6. Give time. This business is your business. Find time. Find time in the morning, talk to a person. Find time in the afternoon, talk to at least 1 to 2 person. 3, 4, 5, 10 better. Chat, Facebook, Instagram, bro, may business ako ngayon, pwede ba kita invite? Bro, kita naman tayo sa ano, latagan lang kita, pakita ko sa negosyo ko. Oh, bro, pwede ba online, pakita ko sa iyo. 10 person every day, talk to 10 person per day. Find time. Business is like marriage. It's like partnership. Business needs time. Business is like a plant. You need to water every day. You need to give time. And as we end, number 6, surround yourself with positive people. May kasabihan, ikaw ang panglimang average ng taong kasama mo. In English, you are the average of the 5 people you go out with. Mo, for example, Boba, you go out with people who's playing basketball for 1 year, you are the next basketball player. You go out with the people who drinks alcohol every day, after 6 months, you are the next alcoholic. You'd go with the millionaires every day for the next 6 months, even though you don't have money today. In the next 6 months, you are the next millionaire. Why? Law of association. You are the average of the 5 people around you. You become. People around you are influencing you. So Tagalog na hirap na ako eh. Nakakahawa ang mga tao sa paligid natin. Kaya ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Katabi mo, adik, bukas adik ka na. Katabi mo, pastor, bukas makalawa, pastor ka na. Diba nasa Bible yan, guys? A wise man can be corrupted by wrong company. In Tagalog, kahit gaano ka pa kabuting tao, kung sinusurround mo ang sarili mo sa mga demonyo, baliwala. Ganon din sa negosyo natin. Kung ikaw ay sinusurround mo yung sarili mo sa mga ayaw ng negosyo natin, hey, scam naman ginagawa mo, Doc. Ano ba yan? Scam naman ginagawa mo, Pris Ben. Ano ba ginagawa mo? Guys, yan, nanareso. Kung kailan ka ba naman tumanda, nagaganyan-ganyan ka. These are people who are negative. The rule is surround yourself with positive people. Kaya pansinin nyo, lahat ng tao nagsisiksikan sa Forbes Park, 1 million, 1 square meter, 1 million. Pero pumunta ka doon sa Antipolo, pumunta ka doon sa sa malayong lugar, Zambales o ano. Yung 1 milyon mo doon, hektarya. Anong point doon? Because alam ng mga mayayaman, malaking epekto ang kapitbahay niya. Dapat ganun ka mag-isip. Negosyante ka na rin ngayon eh. Dumikit ka sa mga taong tulad natin. Every night, pumasok ka, sentagin ka lang, nood ka na sandali, inaanto ka, buksan mo lang. Patay mo camera mo, nahiya ka. This is the best and fastest way makasurround mo yung sarili mo. Words are food for the soul. Whatever you listen to, there's big effect in your life. Whatever you hear, watch, listen, has the biggest effect in your life. And the most is people around you. So surround yourself with people in your business. That's why I'm always inviting everybody. Tara, kita tayo. Kurt, kita tayo. Anaresio, kita tayo. Jackie, JM, Naomi, Doc, Renzel, Ron, Rai, Boba, let's meet. Because I am surrounding you in the right circle. Sa circle sa labas, pag sinabi mong 1 million naman, babatukan ka nun. Baliw ata itong batang to. 1 million na naman, baka tuktukan ko itong bansot na to. Di ba? Pero dito sa grupo natin, pag ikaw kumikita ng 1,000,000 kada buwan, tawag sa'yo normal. Uy, kumita na naman si Naomi na 1,000,000 na talaga. Okay lang ba siya? Di ba kasama natin si Dayanta, nag 9,000,000 isang buwan, nakasibangot? Iba yung taong pinasukan mo ngayon. Iba ang grupo mo ngayon. The best people in your life are the people pulling you up, giving you a better, bigger life. Money is not bad. No. Being rich and successful is not bad. Remember, when you have money and when you're rich, when you're successful, you can help a lot of people, especially your family. Yan ang goal mo. I want you to be the best son and daughter of your parents. Sa Tagalog, kung ikaw anak dito, dapat ikaw ang pinakamayamang anak na magulang mo. Bakit? Pag mayaman ka, mahal na mahal ka ng magulang mo, joke lang. Kapag mayaman ka, lahat ng kailangan ng magulang mo mabibigay mo. Ganon din sa mga magulang. Gusto ko, kung may anak ka, ikaw ang pinakamayamang makikilala nila magulang. Nakakahiya yun. You know what, Daddy? I went to my friend's house. Ang ganda ng bahay nila in Forge Park. Dapat sagot mo, yeah, Forge Park. We have 10 there. Okay lang ba sila? They have 1? Ganun. I want your kids to be proud of you. Dapat ganun. Number 9, sorry, 7. Before we end, complete your materials. Guys, this is business. In every business, you need illustration. Kailangan nyo ng sandata. Di ba? Paano ka magpe-present kung kwento-kwento lang? Uy, Brad, how was your business? Ayun, nakwento ko. Pare, walang negosyong kinikwento. O, how's your presentation? Ayun, chinat ko. Walang business na chinat. Ayun, nakapag-present ako sa maraming tao. Sabi ko, paano? Nakapag-post ako. Ha? Hindi. Ang tamang presentation, umupo kayong dalawa, nilatag mo yung produkto at yung complan. Pinakita mo lahat kung paano tumatakbo. Pinakita mo lahat ng testimonial at araw-araw dala mo siya. Bakit? Hindi mo alam, paglabas mo ng bahay mo, yung makakasalubong mo, yun yung magpapayaman sa'yo. For example, kanina umaga, ilang tao nakita mo? Ilang taon dumaan sa harapan mo? Yung nag-drive ng tricycle, yung taong yun, mali mo yung taong magpapayaman sa'yo. In English, you will never know who will make you rich. Tama, ang hirap, di ba? Hirap mag-English, no? Pinagpapawisan ako pa nandito sila baba. If you have tools every day, even though pen and paper, your flyer, every day, Boba, bring your materials, bring your coffee so that you can show them, this is my product, this is how you earn. You like? You don't like? Thank you. Take another chance again, just like Michael Jordan. Take the shot, doesn't shoot, take a shot again. Doesn't shoot, take a shot again. Doesn't shoot, take a shot again. Everyday training like basketball. Every day talk to someone. Every day talk to someone. You don't like, talk again. You don't like, talk again. You don't like, talk again. Talk again. Okay, Bo, I will buy 10. There, 10 points. You'll never know unless you keep on trying. And then as we end, learn the art of presentation, guys. For you to be successful in this business, you have to learn to present. Start with one-on-one, talk to one person. Pag nasasanay ka na, you know, di ba, Boba, like basketball, you start taking a shot near the ring. Di ba? Pag basketball, gano'n, di ka naman to, ano yung bago ka basketball player, doon ka na sa 3-point shot kagad? Hindi. Doon ka muna sa maliit. When you're a new basketball player, you take the shot near the ring because you're new. Meaning to say, you talk to one person only. After one person, you talk to another person. After another person, you talk to another person. Now, if you are already good, then whenever you meet, you talk to 2 people. Then if you're already better than yesterday, you talk to 10 people. After that, you talk to 100 people. After that, you talk to 1,000 people in one time. Huwag kayong papayag na si upline na nagpe-present. Bakit? Tandaan nyo, hindi nyo siya pinapagod. Kahit gasgasin nyo, wala siyang pakialam. Pag ginawa mo ng ginawa yan, pinagagaling mo lang lalo si upline. Pag lalong gumagaling si upline, lalo ka maiwanan ng cheque mo. Maniwala ka. Akala nyo kasi na pag naiisa nyo upline nyo kapag upline nyo nagpe-present, hindi. Pag pinagpe-present mo upline mo, lalo mo siyang hinahasa. Lalo kang pumupurol. Nangyari sa akin yan. Alam ni Sam Bersosa at ni Ars Francisco, 3 kami. Di ba front row may-ari ngayon? Mga bilyonaryo. Ako taga-present. Sila taga-kono lang. Ang ginagawa nila sa akin, ako present ng present. Ako naman, sige, ako di ako magpe-present ulit-ulit. Wala akong pake. Kahit hindi sumali sa akin, okay lang. Hindi nila alam, dahil ako pinipresent nila araw-araw, kahit di ako kumikita, ako ang gumagaling magsalita. Nung ako gumaling magsalita, di ako sumabog. Kung akala mo na iisahan mo yung upline mo kapag siya pinagpe-present mo, hindi. Naiisahan ka ng upline mo kasi siya pinagpe-present mo. Kasi siya ang umahasa. Ikaw pumupuron. Isipin mo mabuti bago ka matulog. Isipin mo yon, kapatid. Para sa iyo yan. Kapag natututo ka na magsalita sa harapan, pumupunta ka na mag-isa sa probinsya, nagsasalita ka na doon, wala kang hatak na upline, hindi para sa iyo yan. Maniwala ka. Number 9, bago tayo matapos. Be yourself. This business is for everybody. Itong negosyo to para sa lahat ng tao. Be yourself. If you're a basketball player, talk like a basketball player. If you're a doctor, talk like a doctor. If you are a student, engineer, lawyer, talk like a lawyer. Be yourself. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap dito. Kailangan ba gagawin yung ginagawa ni Piwi? Kailangan ba ganang kakwela? No. Kung gusto mo parang pastor ang dating, hindi parang pastor ang dating. Kung gusto mo parang misa araw-araw meeting mo, hindi gawin mo misa. Gusto mo sabitan na sampagitan lahat na kausap mo bago ka magsalita, dito sabitan mo. Be yourself. There is no room for mistake here. Walang mali. There is no wrong. As we end, guys, I love you so much. Every night I do this. This is for free. This is only 9 o'clock until sometimes 9:40, 9:50. Remember, in this business, you have to love what we are doing, especially the person on top of you, because that person is helping you for free. Kaya kung may upline ka, mag-thank you ka lang sa upline mo. Upline, thank you, nandiyan ka araw-araw, kinukulit mo ako ha. Kasi guide mo sila eh. And they are doing that for us. Hindi yan para whatever. So kung may upline ka, pasalamatan mo. Ganun din kung may downline ka, pasalamatan mo sila bago ka matulog, mag-thank you ka. Thank you for trusting me in this business. Thank you for trusting your money, trusting your life, trusting your friends. Mag-thank you ka. Ganun din sa mga ka-members mo, mag-thank you ka din. Crossline, thank you Thank you for being a friend to me dito sa GC natin. Ganun. A thankful heart is a blessed heart. The more kang thankful sa taas, sa baba, sa gilid, the more kang i-bless. Okay? So bago tayo matapos guys, gusto ko lang again magpasalamat sa